Misconception 1.
The waveform for my vocal recording is too small.
For a raw vocal recording, this kind of waveform is perfectly fine. When you're gain staging, you can aim to be around -18 dB. That way you won't get in trouble if you suddenly sing or talk way louder. And all the processing you're going to be doing, like compression, will make the vocal nice and loud in the mix. Misconception 2.
This waveform is clipping, but somehow it still sounds good.
I've had people tell me that when they see my session, but what's actually happening, and most DAWs have this, is that it's just visually vertically zoomed in. Maybe I wanted to check a smaller waveform over here, so I needed to zoom. So it's not the actual gain. Misconception 3.
A stereo track means stereo sound.
In reality, you can perfectly have a mono sound on a stereo track. In this case, you just have the same information on the left and right channel. So what you're hearing is still mono, even though it looks stereo. Misconception 4.
Autotune fixes everything.
Autotune can fix a lot, especially in combination with something like Cubase's Very Audio. But if the performance is very bad, just putting autotune on it is not going to work. Here's a very good singer without autotune.
You should let me love you.
And with.
You should let me love you.
It's just a bit tighter. A not so good singer without autotune.
You should let me love you.
And with, and I'll turn it up all the way.
You should let me love you.
Still bad. Misconception 5.
Every track needs plugins.
Sometimes you pick a sound that just sounds good the way it is. Maybe you already tweaked the settings of a synth, you're using drum sounds that are already heavily processed, so it's definitely okay to not compress something, not EQ it or anything, and just mix it with a volume fader. So I hope that helped. If it did, please like the video, subscribe, and have fun making music.